Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't switching between accounts on your Instagram app, so first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So this is the first thing, and if it doesn't help you, just try to go to the settings, just try to turn off Wi-Fi, turn on again, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to try another way. So just try to go to the general and just try to tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you have available updates for your iPhone, just download and install it on your device. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search tab you just need to write Instagram. So just write Instagram, and if you have available updates, you see here not open but update, just tap on update and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is a way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.